history usually hides in plain sight. Most people will reflect and look on 2025 within the context of Starlink as being a year of incredible growth. As we zoom out on the data, it's been incredible to see that Starlink's deployment rate and subscriber adoption has been nothing short of unexpected and has shocked us all. Starlink has gone from 4.5 million subscribers to 9 million subscribers in 12 months. Download speeds have increased by close to 50%. Network latency or delay on the network has reduced by, on average, 25%. That's been an engineering marvel. Well done, SpaceX team. The Starlink service is really delivering second to none service. We're seeing it rival fiber for the first time in the last 18 months. And we're seeing fiber links being replaced with Starlink SpaceX services, delivering a quality of service that's really remarkable. And that's looking back on 2025. What does 2026 hold for SpaceX and Starlink? Well, for the last couple of years, SpaceX have been using their Falcon 9 rockets to launch version 1, version 1.5, and version 2 Starlink satellites. Yep, you guessed it. Version 3 satellites are about to be launched. First quarter 2026 will see the first version 3s being launched. The version 3 satellites that will be launched and added to the Starlink constellation in first quarter 2026 have several times the capacity of version 1.5 and version 2. Combined with the fact that the launch vehicle being used for version 3 is going to be the Starship, which has a payload of 70 tons, means that every Starship launch of version 3s is going to be equivalent to several Falcon 9 launches, adding a number of terabits per second to the Starlink constellation with every launch. This means you can expect significant increases in download speeds on the Starlink network and upload speeds that are no longer going to be around the 20 to 40 megabit per second mark. Starlink and SpaceX are revolutionizing connectivity on our continent and changing what businesses can do with high-speed, reliable, low-cost connectivity. Watch this space.